Mardalsfossen, guys. Skjønner du?
Yeah.
Så vi kjører dette?
Yeah.
Så sa vi skulle snu med. Så mye fint her inne.
I guess good.
Stengt og godt sammen.
Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. This is Amazing Grace. As you can see guys, we are in the parting place of Mardalsfossen or Mardals waterfalls. This is one of the famous and Instagrammable waterfalls here in Norway. And of course, Anba is just behind us. He will not walk. But it's me and Stephanie is waiting there. So we are going to Mardalsfossen or Mardals waterfalls. And as you see guys, you can to me the current of the water from the waterfalls, and that's where we're going. We're not going near. And if you can see the waterfalls from this area, that's the waterfalls area. That's the waterfalls that we're going to. So let's walk. Look at Stephanie. The way to walk. So we're going. And just look and enjoy the greenery of the area. There's another waterfalls in that side, but that's not what it looks like or what we are looking for. The Mardalsfossen is in front of us. So be with us guys. And of course, beautiful flowers. Guys, we're taking off our jacket because we begin to sweat, and especially me, I took off my clothes. Stephanie did also, and Stephanie found a stick he can use to support him from to support her from walking. Ooh, my hair are standing. It's okay.
Antigulang. Oh my gosh, sana. Taas ng ido.
Turn around. Look at that tree. Wait, I will show you something special in the tree. If you can see, here's the can look at the tree. Look at that tree. You see that tree? You see how special is that? It's like an eye, a head and an eye. Look at that. You see? Can you see that? This forest, guys, is protected, and there is something really going on in this in this forest. Look at that. Look, guys, another one special tree. That one. What is that, guys? Tell me, what is that tree? Something is really weird in this kind of forest. So we have to, because here it's warm and I don't understand why. We are just near to the water. And look at this. In the old times they believe these are the trolls sleeping the stones or the rocks. Da ka lang. And look at this.
Like a face.
Yes, it's a face. Don't think of that. Just talk. It's a face, guys. Look. Auntie Claire. Shout out Auntie Claire. You see how majestic the trees? It's a face. It's a crooked nose. And the mouth. And the eyes, and the ears in this area. You know hunchback? It looks like hunchback. What does that mean? Natur Reservat Furbot Obiga Vader. Do not build
Yes.
cairns. Huh? What do you? What is you don't can't? What you can't already? Are you sick like me? So?
Bats. Flying miss.
And
Okay.
acorn.
Like acorn.
Paakyat ng paakyat. Malapit na kami. Oh, they walk far past us already because we keep on stopping. This is so hard for me, guys, but I'm trying to walk. Look at this majestic though. We will stop by for a while and relax. Oh. Nangihi na, diri ho. Naiihi si Cutie. So finally, this is it. This area. Here. I don't wanna go near. It's too far to walk, Stephanie. And I can't take it anymore. Guys, me and Stephanie decided only to stay in this area because we can't walk another more 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer. We can't take it anymore. And yes, and the two couple there said it's also quite long to walk. And yes, me and Stephanie decided not to go more because the road will be closed and we have to go back. So we have to go back very fast so that we will be able to be there before 1:30 p.m. because it will only open 1:30 p.m. So we need to walk another 1 kilometer back to the camping or to the parking area. So this is the waterfalls that we're talking about. One of the famous Instagrammable waterfalls. So again, thank you for being with us. Thank you for watching. This is another day of our summer vacation, and tomorrow another place to go. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and share my videos, and to those who haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. So bye everyone, thank you for watching. I'm so tired to walk and it's really steep and I have to, oh my goodness, I can't stop my feet. Oh my god, Stephanie, wait for me. Oh my gosh, stop it.